Chapter 30: Investing in AI. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest-growing and most promising industries in the world. Companies working in the AI field are creating products and technologies that are changing our lives. Investing in them is an opportunity for high returns, but it's also associated with great risks. The AI startup market is volatile, and choosing a truly promising project from thousands of similar ones is a complex task. This chapter will show you how to use AI for analyzing and evaluating companies working in this very field. You will learn how to find promising projects and make informed decisions. Why is it so difficult to invest in AI projects? Investing in AI differs from traditional investments because you need to evaluate not only financial metrics, but also many other factors. Technological uniqueness. How unique is the company's technology? Does it have patents or other competitive advantages? Market potential. How large is the market the startup is targeting? Team. Who is at the helm? Does the team have the experience and expertise? Monetization strategy. How does the company plan to make money? Manually analyzing all these factors requires a huge amount of time, but AI solves this problem in a fraction of the time. In this chapter, we will look at exactly how to use AI tools to evaluate specific projects. Step 1. Analyzing technological uniqueness. Before you invest money, it's important to make sure that the startup's technology is truly unique and doesn't just replicate what's already on the market. Manually searching for patents and scientific publications is a long and inefficient process. AI systems trained on vast data sets can do this for you. AI for patent searches. Use specialized platforms that scan global patent databases. Just enter keywords describing the startup's technology. The system will show similar patents, and you will understand if the company has unique developments or if competitors have already patented them. AI for scientific publication analysis. Some tools can analyze scientific articles in research. This helps you understand how the company's technology aligns with the latest global trends and if it has a scientific basis. Step 2. Evaluating the market potential. Even the most advanced technology is useless if it has no market. AI tools will help you evaluate the market size, identify competitors, and understand what market share the startup can capture. Analysis of market reports. AI systems can process thousands of market reports, news, and analytical articles. They will find data on market growth, segmentation, and key players, giving you a complete picture. Competitor analysis. With AI tools, you can quickly identify direct and indirect competitors, analyze their financial metrics, products, and strategies. This will help you understand how easy it will be for the startup to carve out its niche. Step 3. Evaluating the team. The team is the heart of any startup. Even with a great idea, a project can fail if its founders don't have the right experience in team building and management. AI tools can analyze the public profiles of team members, their past projects, and their reputation. Analyzing social networks and public data. AI can scan the founders' profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms. This allows you to evaluate their experience, past achievements, and reputation. Evaluation of previous projects. Systems can find information about the team's past startups, their successes and failures. This provides an understanding of how well the founders can follow through and handle difficulties. Step 4. Analyzing the monetization strategy. How does the startup plan to make money? This is one of the most important questions. AI tools can help evaluate the realism of the business model. Analysis of financial models. Some advanced AI systems can analyze the financial forecasts of startups and compare them to similar projects. This helps identify unrealistic or overly optimistic expectations. Revenue forecasting. Based on market data and competitor analysis, AI can create models that forecast a company's potential revenue. Using AI tools does not replace human expertise, but it allows you to automate routine tasks and get a deep analysis in a short amount of time. This gives investors a significant advantage and helps them make more informed decisions. Step 5. Building a comprehensive evaluation and making a decision. After you have analyzed the technology, market, team, and monetization strategy with AI tools, all this data needs to be combined into a single system. Comprehensive evaluation. AI systems can automatically generate reports in which all factors, technological uniqueness, market potential, team experience, are given a weighted score. This helps avoid bias and allows you to make decisions based on objective data. Comparison with competitors. You can compare your project with other startups in the same niche. AI systems can quickly find similar companies and analyze their success or failure. This will help you understand how risky your investment is. Risks and limitations of AI analysis. Although AI is a powerful tool, it has its limitations. Data quality. If the data on which the AI is trained is incomplete or contains errors, its conclusions may be inaccurate. Unexpected events. AI cannot predict geopolitical crises, changes in legislation, or other force majeure circumstances that may affect a project. Lack of intuition. AI cannot replace human intuition and experience, which often play a key role in making investment decisions. Thus, using AI in investment analysis is not a replacement but a powerful supplement to your own expertise. AI tools automate routine tasks, save time, and provide a deep analysis, but the final decision is always up to you.